I'll give you one guess as to what arrived today. It is the new 28mm US Airborne D-Day sprue from Warlord Games, part of their bolt action series, and as you can tell, it is bloody beautiful. I'm going to say this just by looking at the sprue and what you can see now. I think this is probably their best plastic sprue they've put out. I honestly do think that, and they've been putting out some fantastic stuff lately. You can see there's a variety of different options here. The weapons are great. We've got 7 rifles, 2 carbines or 3 carbines. We've got a couple of Thompsons in there, a grease gun, a sniper rifle, a bazooka. Lots of variety in the posts. You've got 1 crouch and the rest are all standing. We've also got the Pathfinder's beacon, gun thing, whatever you call that there as well. So that's just such an awesome option. Just such a fantastic sprue. Look at that bazooka. Doesn't that just look great? Look at the reinforced elbow and knee pads that are already sculpted on the miniature. You don't have to sort of paint them on and make them look like they're there. They're sculpted on, so they're going to be very easy to paint. You've got the 30 cal there with a nice ammunition belt. Such good detail in those rifles with a variety of different poses and such with the rifles and the weapons. Lots of weapon slings as well, which is always great to see. Just great little sprue. So much put onto just this one sprue. You can see we've also got the Pathfinders there with their mohawks and their really sort of aggressive looking faces, a flare gun as well as a captured Luger. They really have thought of everything, and the detail is just absolutely superb. You come to expect it with Warlord Games now and their plastic sprues. This is far superior to their previous US Airborne sprue in my opinion. I think this just looks absolutely great. And as we can see the back of those mohawks there, even the mohawks are slightly varied in their detail, which is just testament to the superb work on this sprue. So we've got the bipod there for the 30 cal. Now I do believe the 30 cal in this is probably more themed for market garden. I believe normally they had the 30 cal with the tripod, so it was like a 2-man operation. But you can see the M1 carbine has the folding stock, which is perfect. And then we can see just all the detail, even the studs on the boots. Look at those, they are just great. And there's that 30 cal I was just mentioning before. So that's the only criticism I'd have in this. Again, I'm no US Airborne historian, so perhaps I'm wrong, but I do believe that was a more market garden themed thing. Just straight up Band of Brothers vibes, guys. When I'm looking at this, just straight up Normandy, it just looks superb. Again, not sure if the bar was actually present in Normandy or the BAR, but that's okay. You can make up for the lack of the BAR with all the other options that are in this set. We've got a shovel there with a knife. Look at all the scrim on that helmet and the back there. Just so good. I can't wait to get paint on these, and I will get paint on these next weekend, guys. Next weekend we'll have a painting tutorial out. Quick turnaround for me, but I need to get them out there. Now if you're looking at these going, where on earth can I get these? You can find them at the Bolt Action or the Warlord Games website under Bolt Action. They're actually currently under the pre-orders tab. You can actually still find them under Bolt Action though, and there they are. They're currently going for $59 USD, which is really reasonable for the amount of miniatures you're going to get in there. I do have an affiliate link if you want to follow that and pre-order those through there. If not, you can pre-order them on there, and they're going to be released sometime in April. So this was just a very quick video just to show you the new sprue and really get it out there because it is superb. I look forward to painting these, and don't forget that'll be next weekend. Until the next one, guys, I'm going to leave it here and I will catch you at the next one.